Stalkers, a very good evening. Panic selling in the market, a red candle today. Trump tested positive for COVID-19. Today is 4th of October 2020. Let's analyze the market index first and then we check out some stocks. Many members are commenting and asking me which platform am I using for my analysis. This is to let you know that I'm using TradingView. It's a paid service. If you are interested, do let me know. I will send you a link. That link will be a referral link. If you feel like you want to support me, register through that link. I will just get some bonus points. No, I will not get any commission, nor you will be charged anything extra. As we all know that 2240 has been holding for a while, but at the same time, as I keep saying, if a particular level has been tested again and again, it gets weaker and weaker. Now, there are good chances that this level might break to the downside. It comes back for a retest and goes down to 2100. This is scenario 1, which nobody wants to see. Scenario number 2, we want the market to go up, at least cross about 2275, so we can say bulls are still active and our trend is intact. Let's check out some stocks now. Aman, surely we are in an uptrend. We are about 200-day exponential moving average. Also, we are seeing a pattern that is, it's making higher highs, it's making higher lows. Again, we saw a higher high. Surely it's in an uptrend. Now, it got resisted right at this level, somewhere around 1.18. This level, let me just highlight it. Till the time we are above 1.00, right here. Okay, till the time we are above this level, we can still call it a bullish trend. Now, there are two possibilities. If it wants to cross to the upside, let it cross 1.18, enter the trade after it crosses 1.18. Another scenario is it can come down to the support level again, take a bounce and go to the upside. Then it will be in a range. Till the time it's in a range, you can always take trade at support, exit at resistance. So guys, let's see how it performs tomorrow. DR, still the same, it's in a downtrend, it's making lower lows, lower highs. If you know how to read candlesticks, you can easily make it out it's in a downtrend. Clearly making lower lows and lower highs. Again, we can also draw a trend line. This is indicating a downtrend. We are stalking this one, no trades yet. Let it cross at least 0.300. Let it make a price action and cross 0.300. Once it crosses 0.300, comes back for a retest, takes a bounce, enter the trade. Union Properties, today it got punished again. This is the support level of UPP. Today it have crossed below this white line, that is 200-day exponential moving average. Surely in short term it's in a downtrend. What we saw right here is it broke the trend line, but it could not cross the main resistance of 0.310. Now it's in a tight range, it's moving up, coming again down, testing the support. It did try to go up, but it came down before it tested the resistance. This is another downtrend within a downtrend. What we want to see is let it come back to the resistance, cross this resistance, come back for a retest, we enter the trade. Damac Properties is good for tomorrow. Surely it's in an uptrend, also have taken a bounce right from the support level. All we want to see is price crossing 0.925. Your next target is right here at around 0.970. Perfect. If you are a swing trader, you can capture this swing. Salama, even this stock could not perform well. It's coming to the support level now, that is around 0.850. This is the support level of Salama. What we want to see is a bounce right from the support level. Once it takes a bounce, your next target should be around 0.900. Till then, no trades, keep stalking. Emaar Properties, after we saw a green candle in Thursday's session, I was expecting another green candle here so that we can say at least the support is holding. Let me show you a pattern now. This was the recent top of Emaar. From here it came down to this level. It took a bounce again, went this high. Again it have come down. Now, what is this pattern? If you know, this is clearly a downtrend pattern. When we see prices making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, this is clear cut a downtrend. Now, there are two scenarios from here. Scenario number 1. This was the support, say around 2.80. It can come back to retest again and go to the downside to the next support, that is around 2.70. This is scenario number 1. Scenario number 2, it can come back again to the upside, retest the same level of 2.80 and at least to be bullish it has to cross 2.95, that is somewhere around here. So it has to take out the recent swing high. That's EMAR. AAN, let me make a pattern first. It was right here, low, made a new high, low, again a high, again low, it made a new high again. So when we are in an uptrend, what we want to see is market making higher highs and higher lows. This is the pattern that you have to follow, surely in an uptrend. Now, if you are following my videos, I did mention that the first support is right here at around 0.173. If we see a bounce from this level, enter the trade. But this did not happen. It came back to the second support. I did mention in my previous analysis as well. The second support is right here at 0.164. If you see a bounce from this level, enter the trade. I did also mention if it crosses this level, say around 0.168, immediately enter the trade. This is dodgy candle. Dodgy means market can go to the either side. It can go to the downside as well. It can go to the upside as well. Now, interestingly, what has happened today, right at the opening of the market, it did give an indication that it wants to go up. It opened with a gap up and started to move to the upside immediately. If you have not entered the trade yet, it's still good time to enter. The next target is right here at around 0.193. Aramax. Now again, you have to eye train yourself. What we are seeing is a pattern. It's making higher highs, it's surely making lower lows. This is the pattern that we want to see in an uptrend. So, where is the support now? This is the first support of Aramax, that is around 4.20. Second support and a strong support is right here at 4.10. It have taken a bounce right from the first support level. If you want to enter, there is still chance. The first target is around 4.45. Dubai Islamic Bank, surely a very good stock. The first and strong support is right here at 4.20. Now what we have seen is it have today crossed this white line, that is 200-day exponential moving average, that is acting as a dynamic support and resistance. There are two scenarios from here. The first scenario is let it come to the support. When it takes a bounce, you can enter the trade. Your first target should be right here at around 4.37. Interestingly, in previous swing, what we saw is it made this high, say around 4.39. It got rejected. Again, it did try, but it got rejected. So we can say it's making a kind of double top pattern, which is bearish. So if you want to enter the trade, I repeat, let it come back at this level, let it take a bounce, enter the trade. Your target is right here. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Keep stalking.